Today is Thursday. I have my telemed doctor's appointment at 10:40. It's 8:38 now. So Jake and I, we have some time to kill. I'm going to go to Starbucks for that call. That's the only place I really can depend on 100% to have good cell coverage and it not break up while I'm on my phone call with my doctor. We got to do that, and we have to go to McDonald's to get a frappe. Do you know, with the McDonald's app, now here is a commercial for them, and I'm not sponsored by any McDonald's at all, so if you use the McDonald's app, you get free stuff all the time. You also get great discounts. So I love my frappes, but I'm not going to pay $5 for a frappe, just like I'm not going to pay $5 for a Starbucks coffee. Oh, I'm sorry. What is it, $7 now? I'm not doing it. So I use the McDonald's app, and it gives me $2 off a frappe. So when I get a medium frappe, then it only costs me $1.89. So I don't feel guilty getting one of those whenever I want one, which is most every morning. It holds me over all day long, and it tastes good. And Jake loves eating the whipped cream. So we'll have to get a video of Jake eating the whipped cream because he really loves it. So y'all have a good day, and we'll check in with you later. All right, bye-bye.